She is curtain 1, 2, 3. Please would you tell me who is she? That the wind and the rain and the hill now high and the smoke and pouring from the sky. She's as sweet as apple pie, Cinderella by and by. When she gets on her own, she won't turn out till she gets home. Get the rock on my zero, but it's not her TV. She likes to tell me now when I go home. No, I don't need to get alone. To pull my hair, to pull my car, but that's alright when I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is Bella Belfast. She is curtain 1, 2, 3. Please will you tell me who is she?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to finish our show now with a very, very famous Ulster tradition. Now, as you know, lambeg drums are peculiar to Ulster. Well, they're very, very special. And, you know, the whole world wonders why we play them, but it's not triumphalism, ladies and gentlemen, as certain politicians would accuse us of. It's actually exuberance and joy is the theme of the lambeg drum. And we're going to have 3 drummers for you tonight. We have one of the very few female lambeg drummers in Ulster. That's Amanda Robinson from Larne. Please welcome her onto that big drum there. Mr. Sammy Quinn, ex-Ballyrashane leading tipper, now lambeg drummer extraordinaire. Sammy Quinn, ladies and gentlemen. And past master Kenny Mitchell of Clough, County Antrim. And we're going to have a wee pipe and drum duet written by Schubert. Schubert McDowell from Ballymena. Here's 100 pipers. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all from us for tonight. May we wish you a very happy day tomorrow. Hope the sun shines on us and rains on the other crowd. Anyway.